What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP DIESEL, and here we go again with another quick shop action episode. And today we got a Duramax in the shop with a whole bunch of DEF in the fuel. Let's check it out. That beautiful truck right there. Look at it. Check this out, guys. Bunch of DEF contaminants in there. Bunch of that stuff. So we've got the fuel tank right there. Fuel tank has been cleaned out, flushed out. The sending unit here with the built-in electric pump, that bad boy is going to be replaced. Let's check out these injectors. Look how bad these things get. Look at all of that DF. So again, every time we get some kind of DF contaminants in your fuel, please, it's always best to, I know it hurts, but it's always best to get all your fuel system parts replaced. You don't ever really want to try to flush them, because if any of that DF gets clogged inside this injector right here, you can then flood your engine there and make it a whole lot worse. So again, whole new fuel system on this Duramax. We got my man Martin right there, Mr. Pincher Mechanic, on the job. Boom. Moving on to the new parts right here. We got all of the new Alliant power parts going onto this bad boy. All of our parts and our labor are covered by 1 year unlimited mile warranty. So this bad boy is getting some top quality parts with some top quality labor along with it. So getting it done by the best with some of the best products.
Purchase your tracks today.
So there you got it. Thank you again for always tuning in to our little shop action episodes. We greatly appreciate, we love all the love and the support. If you guys have any questions on any of the products that are featured here, always feel free, reach out to us at the office or hit us up on social media. We're always willing to help. We love you guys. Peace.